Hello children, we are going to start our second class. I have already told you that how to install this new text editor, and I'm going to tell you the difference between the previous one we are using, that is Notepad, and this new text editor Sublime. Now I'm going to open, these are the file, the one which we have done in, this is the file we have already done this one in previous class. There is nothing in those files. Now right click, open with Notepad. This is the one we have been using in previous class, that is Notepad. You can use this one. This is the text that we have already typed in previous YouTube class. Now the same thing I'm going to open in our new text editor. This is the one, Sublime. Now side by side, look here. I'm not going to save it. Now I'm going to type the title here. Look, there is like tips and all, support and all for the coder or the one who is using this one, the one who is going to develop the website. There is tips and all which will be given like this. So I will write this title as RKMS. Now if I'm going to type here, you can use it here, no problem, like this. You have to type again, same thing, it's the same thing. The only difference is it will give some tips about your text, the one which you are typing, and you will not get any tips or support from the editor. This text editor Notepad, you will not get any tips or support for you while typing the HTML tag. But in Sublime, if you type the HTML tag, you will get a support or tips. So what is the upcoming tag you are going to type. And look here, if the code is lengthy, okay, let me do this one. So here, look, our line of code is 34. So here, if I don't want to scroll also, here look at a simple, look, I will zoom a little bit, the one which I am going to show you. I'm going to zoom a little bit out here. Look here, there is a small display over here. You can scroll it by just clicking over there. Look how my codes are running up and down. This is the thing, and this all facilities, it will not be there in Notepad. And another more, if my lines of code or this my text is not safe, then there will be a dot over here. Look at the dot. And I think it's not this whole facility, it will not be there in Notepad. But if you don't want to use this one, you can use prefer Notepad. There is no problem, it's the same thing. But I guess this will be more interesting if you type HTML text in here. So for now time being, I will not use this one. If you want, you can download it and use it, that one. If you want also, you can take it from me, it's free. Now let me open this one. I'll close. If you want to save it or not, the changes that I have made out over here. No, I don't want to save it. So if I want, in last class I have seen that the text which are over here, it's a little bit small, so I will make it little bigger. If you want to make it little bigger, preference, font and larger. There is a shortcut key also, control plus equal to. I'll make it over here. Look, the texts are getting larger, bigger in size. Now after that, after title RKMS, This title is nothing. Now this dot will remove if I save it. Control plus S. I have pressed Control plus S, then the dot disappear. What are the changes that I have made? Let's see. Let's open the file in Google Chrome. This is the file that we are working on. So I'll open it side by side. Just double click over it and it will be open over here. This is the page that we are working. So look here over here. The tag that is RKMS is written over here. The title. So whatever you wrote over here in between the title tag, it will come in this area. The tag. The new tab that open here, that wrote here new tab. This in this area, new tab, all the title whatever you wrote here will come in this one. So the point is, don't make a lengthy or long line over a title. Don't name it a long line or lengthy sentence over here. Just give a 2-3 word or 1 word itself. I'll make a capital letter over here, RKMS. KMS. Now save it and rephrase it. Look, capital letter changes. Now this is the this is the title. Title comes up here. So you all know about this one. I'm going to go tab and write from here. Previous class we already learned about some HTML tag and attributes that we are going to revise it. Now you must have already known about till up to here, till our class. HTML tag, there are in HTML there are 2 parts, that is head part and body part, but head part is for time being. Now we are going to use only the title, head and title tag. In title tag, whatever we write over here, the one which we are going to work our project, like the one which I have given you an example of, displaying all the school information in a HTML page. I think if you are at home, if you are using computer at home, then work on it. Make a page that is about our school. Don't make any other stuff. Focus in our school. Create a page in HTML about our school. If you have any photo, then it's good. If you don't have also, just search it from the internet. There are pictures of our school in our school website also. You can download it from there and put all the pictures over there, and you all know about the details of the school, how many classes are there, how many teachers are there, how many computer rooms. And there is one thing that in this new session we are going to combine our 2 computer rooms into a bigger one. That the one which we are having 2 computer room in junior section block and in class 6 block. There are 2 computer. We are going to combine that into a single room. If you come back from this pandemic, when you return at school, you give me a page developed by yourself after watching these videos and all about our school. Make a page about our school. If you don't have your pictures, just search in Google RKMS Imphal. I think in YouTube, not in YouTube. This is the page, our website for our school, www.rkmimphal.org. Welcome to the website of Ramakrishna Mission Imphal. Click on this one. This is the page of our school. So if you don't have any pictures of our school, go to our website, photos. You can download many pictures from here. These are the pictures uploaded in our school website. Look here, annual day function, many events for our school. Many events are there. You can download it and put put it in your website. Okay, I'll show you our Ramakrishna Mission Imphal website. After going there, click on school. After clicking on school, our Ramakrishna Mission School Imphal page will come. In that, if you have any problem regarding the content of our school, if you don't know the details about the school, what to add in your web page, that is the one you are going to develop in HTML. If you don't have the content and all, you can check it from here what our school is having, and you can take a summarize about our school from here, and you can put it in your page. In the pictures also, if you want to add also, you can click from here and share it in your put it in your HTML symbol page, the one you are going to develop. Look here, this is our school website and blog also. Blog pictures, here so many pictures are there. This blog is the notice. This is a notice for our school and photos. You can take the content from here and develop that HTML page. Now I'm not going to go deep into this one. You can take the content from here and you can develop a simple page for our school. I'll check it later on. Now if I want to view the source code of this page, any page whatever open in your browser, you can view the source code. Right click anywhere, view source, view page source. Clicking. This is the code about that page. We are not going to write a lengthy step for like this. Just make a simple page. Just add some pictures and all and bring it on. You are not going to make like this. Just represent all the data in a simple HTML page. Okay. We are going to learn about the body tag. Head part is not going to much deal about this white part, the one which you are seeing out here. This white part in the web browser. Look here. This white part, all this is blank. This is the blank page. Whatever you want to represent in this, you have to write that one in this between the body tag. Whatever, I'm going to tell you again, whatever you want to represent or display over here in this white part, that you are going to make it over here between these two body tag. There are some attributes the body tag has that we are going to use for formatting the body tag. First one is body tag. The first one we are going to revise is BG color. When I type BG, it's already helping me out. The BG color or background. I'm going to type for this BG color. BG color is nothing but the color of the background. I can type the color name directly or its hexadecimal code. If you don't know the hexadecimal code, you can just name the BG color. Let's say yellow, for example. I'm not saving it. Okay, I will show you here. I will save it from here. Next time I'll use this Ctrl S shortcut key. Okay, now the dot has removed. After saving it, just refresh the page. Now yellow. I don't like yellow. Just to show you, let's keep it green. Save. Green. Now our web page is green. If you want to put an image over here, now you must have downloaded the pictures from our school website, whatever you want to choose, or any other pictures you want to represent for our school. Make it beautiful. So if you want to make a picture in the background, we are going to write background here, and name of the picture. I have two images in the folder that I have saved this file. You have to know the path of the picture where you are saving in your computer. If you are doing at home, you have to know where you have kept the picture or where you have saved those pictures. If you are downloading from internet, then it must be in download folder or whatever you have shifted to another one. Or if it is in our school, I think there are not much picture in school computers. You need to download or put it there. So this is the file that I have been saving. I have saved those files here. That is the file we are working on, file, and there are two pictures. Now I am going to put this first picture. This is the one I took from my phone. I have saved it here. This picture I want to put it in the background. I am not going to remember this picture name and put it there, so I'm just going to rename it and copy that picture name. Copy, Control+C, Control+C, copy, and between this quotes just paste it, and JPEG file. If you don't know how to check the JPEG file, just right click on the picture, properties, and here you can see the file. I'll zoom a little bit. Now you can see the file type, extension of the file type. This is the picture name. You don't need to remember all those, just copy paste it. And if you don't know the picture extension, just right click on the picture, go to properties, and you can check the picture extension, file extension, that is JPG. Now I have put the picture name over here, background, picture name, and .jpg. Now save it and refresh. I think the picture is already here. It's a big in size, so only the cloud part is there. Look at that picture again. I think only this part is there in our web page, not all those. So this picture is very big in size. I think it's not possible to show it in your page. Now I'm going to try this on a simple smaller size. This is 4032 into 3024. This one is smaller one, I guess. 720 into 400. View 1, the file name is view 1. view1.jpg. Save it and refresh it. Now the picture is almost there in our background of the web page. This is the picture, comes in 4 tiles, so you can add your own picture like this. There will be a problem that I'm going to tell you about. There I have not given any part of the picture. Look here. Why there is no problem over here? I'm giving only the picture name and file extension. If the picture is not in the same folder where you save your file, let's say I have kept this picture in my desktop, I just transfer that picture over in desktop. Now refresh it. Now there is a problem. Look here. Did you see that? I have moved that picture part from my folder where it's been with the file. The picture which we are having in the background is saving in the same folder, that is HTML, the one we create before starting our class. The picture that we are keeping in the background is save in the same folder where we are working, where with the working file, that is file name. I'm going to change this name of the file. The picture, I have moved the picture over there, view 1 in the desktop. But look at here in our web page, the picture is missing. So there is a problem. If you have a problem like this at home, then you have to give the full path of the image. Now I'm going to show you the full path, how to know the full path. Right click above the picture. Okay, it was not showing over here. Right click over the picture. Can you see? Right click over the picture, go to property. Okay, it's bright. I'm going to zoom a little bit. Right click on the picture, and after that, location. File name is same. You have to copy this location. You have to copy this location. It's a copy pasting. Copy, just control C, copy, and you have to paste in front of this, paste. Backslash. Now save it. Now here comes the pictures again. What is the problem over here? I'll tell you. First, we have put the picture which is in the same folder with our file. Now I have changed the location of the picture. After that, the picture has vanished or not showing it there on our website, our web page. Not the website, we are not building website, it's a simple web page. So if we change the picture, or if we move the picture from the same folder, then the picture is not picture went missing. So about that one, you cannot put a picture like just a picture name and the file extension. If the picture is somewhere in your computer and you want to put that picture which is not in the same folder as your file, then you have to give a full path of the picture. If you don't know how to know this full path, just right click above the picture, and there is a property. Click on that property option. After that, location. Go to that location, copy the path or the location, and just paste it in your background, this area, and backslash. Don't forget this backslash and that picture name, and automatically the picture will be there. We are going to do up to here, adding pictures and changing the attribute that we have been doing, like this BG color and background. Just if you have your computer at home, then practice it. If you don't have also, there is no problem. Just watch this video and you can do it later on at school. There is plenty of computer for you and time. Okay, no problem for that. So we will end our class here for today.